Let's look at solving linear word problems. A total of 703 tickets were sold for the school play. They were either adult or student tickets. There were 53 more student tickets sold than adult tickets. How many adult tickets were sold? Let's start by introducing some notation here. Let's let S be equal to the number of student tickets sold. And A be equal to the number of adult tickets sold. Now we're told that there were 53 more student tickets sold than adult tickets. That is, S, which is the number of student tickets sold, is equal to A, which is the number of adult tickets sold, plus 53. There's 53 more student tickets sold. Moreover, the total number of tickets sold was 703. And since they're either adult tickets or student tickets, that means that S plus A has to equal 703. Now we're asked to find out how many adult tickets were sold, which means we want to solve for A. Therefore, if we replace in this equation S with A plus 53, then we'll have an equation that just involves A, and we'll be able to solve for it. So let's do that. That is, we have A plus 53 plus A is equal to 703. And then combining like terms on the left gives us 2A plus 53 is equal to 703. And now we can subtract 53 from both sides, which gives us 2A is equal to 703 minus 53, or 2A is equal to 650. And then dividing both sides by 2 gives us A is equal to 325. So there were 325 adult tickets sold to this play. All right, let's look at another example. James will rent a car for the weekend. He can choose one of two plans. The first plan has an initial fee of $69 and costs an additional 60 cents for every mile driven, whereas the second plan has no initial fee but costs 90 cents for every mile driven. How many miles would James need to drive for the two plans to cost the same? Well, let's let X equal the number of miles that James drives. What then would be the cost of the first plan? Well, he has to pay an initial fee of $69 and then an additional 60 cents for every mile driven. That is, this is equal to 69 plus 0.60 times X, because X is the number of miles that he's going to drive, and for every one of those miles, they're going to charge him another 60 cents. Now, what about the cost of the second plan? Now, there's no initial fee, but it's going to cost him 90 cents for every mile driven. That is, this is equal to 0.90 times X. Now we want to know how many miles he would need to drive for the two plans to cost the same. So we want to find the value of X that will make these equal. That is, we'll solve the following equation for X. 69 plus 0.60X is equal to 0.90X. Or 69 is equal to 0.90X minus 0.60X. or 69 is equal to 0.30 times x. And now we can divide both sides by 0.30. Which gives us x is equal to 69 divided by 0.30. But 0.30 is 3 divided by 10. So this is equal to 69 times 10 divided by 3. And 3 goes into 69 23 times. Therefore, this is equal to 23 times 10, or 230. Therefore, the answer to our question here is 230 miles. And this is how we solve these types of linear word problems. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.